Welcome to the club, everyone. Let's grab a marker or pencil. We're going to start at the very top of our page. We'll be drawing Mirror Wind Dancer from Zootopia. So we're going to start with the eyes. Let's start on the left side at the very top and draw a circle going all the way around toward the bottom and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes. Draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top. Again, just leaving that gap in between the eyes and then back up. Let's draw the eyelid. We're going to start from the center of the eye on the left, bend this up and then out across the eyelid. And we want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a small circle going all the way around, tucking that up underneath the eyelid. On the left side, on the top, add a small circle for highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Let's pull up the lower eyelid. Starting underneath the eye, we're going to bend this up and then down. Now from the inside of the eye, we're going to add a trim. Bend this up and then out toward the left. Go up and then out about halfway on the right side. And then on the top left, we're going to draw the eyebrow. We're going to go up and then bend that down. Let's add some thickness. We're going to taper that in toward that inside line. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrow in black. Now over on the right side, we're going to bend the eyebrow coming down and then out. Step down from the inside, go into the eye, and then out towards the point. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrow. From the inside of the eye, we're going to work our way across the nose. We're going to bend this out and then down on both sides. Bend this in and then down on the left and right. And you want to layer the nostrils on top. So we're going to step in, bend this up, around at the nostril, and then come in towards the bottom. Do the exact same thing on the right. In the center, we're going to draw an oval, going up and around, and just pull that in towards a point. And we'll fill the inside of the nostrils. Now underneath the nostrils, we're going to step out, curve this down, bend that in towards the middle, go out and then up towards the right. Now just underneath, we're going to add the lower lip. Come down and then up. Now from the outside of the eyebrow on the left side, we're going to bend the cheek going out, round this out, and then bend that in. Go over towards the right side, coming down around the cheek, and then in. I'm going to step out, curve this in, and then down on either side. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to bend the head, coming around and out, and then pull that down toward the outside of the brow. Now I'm going to go back up underneath the cheeks. We're going to draw the jaw. We're going to bend this down and out on the left and right. Around the jaw, and then bend that in. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the hair brushed over towards the left side. Start in the middle, bend this out, come around the eyebrow, and then down. Now I'm going to draw some waves. So we're going to curl the hair, coming around and then up. And just pull this back in towards the side of the cheek. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to add some texture. We're going to go up and then down. Add a couple more curves going out toward the left. Let's draw some hair coming out from the right. Starting from this point, going up, around the brow and then down. Just going to curl that up and then bend that back in. Now in behind the hair, we're going to draw the ears, leaving a gap in the center. Curl the left going up, curl the right side. Then it's out and down in behind the hair, and then on the right going all the way around and then down. Now we want to add some more hair over on the left side. So we're going to start here and draw a wave. So we're going to curl the hair going all the way around and then out towards the bottom, curls down and up towards the jaw. Now from the jaw, we're going to draw the arms crossed in front of the body. So we're going to start from the left side, then the shoulder going out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to bend the arm from the shoulder, coming down and then in towards the elbows. Over on the right side, we're going to bend the elbow, going out, just pull that up toward the top. Bend this across the forearm and then down. Let's go over toward the left elbow. We're just going to tuck this arm in underneath, going up. Now from this point, we're going to draw the sleeve, then it's up and then down. Go back and add a fold, going up and then out. Let's go back over towards the right side and draw the edge of the hoof, curving this up towards the top. Bend the arm coming across and then down. And I'll separate the hoof. Now I'm just going to line up the sleeve in behind the hoof, going up and out. Add the fold. Let's go back underneath the jaw and draw the edge of the collar. On the left, curving this down and in behind the arm. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the top, we're going to bend the collar, going up and then down. Then the collar going back up towards the top of the shoulders. Now in the center of the collar, let's add a trim for the inside of the jacket. Now in the center of the body, we're going to step all the way down. We're going to add a curve, going up and then down. And then in the middle, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom of our page. Let's curve the bottom of the feet. Start with the left side, coming down and then up on the left and right side. Let's bend the side of the foot, coming in and up towards the side of the leg. I'm just going to round out the bottom. Now from here, it's going to curve this in and then down. Now we're going to go all the way back up underneath the arms. We're going to curve the legs. We're going to come down and then bend that in. Let's go back up to the top and add a curve coming down and up, and then add a line in the center. Now let's add that curly tail over on the right side, starting from the hip. Just going to draw a wave going all the way around toward the bottom. Let's curl that back up to the top, and just going to work our way back in towards the side of the leg. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mirror Wind Dancer from Zootopia. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.